Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all of you. I am Amit, and you are watching Study with Amit. So, as we have completed our class 9 syllabus of computer ICSE, so today I am here with class 10th syllabus of Java programming language, class 10th ICSE. Today we will discuss few important topics and about the syllabus and few important questions which are generally there in class 10th. So do watch our full video to get full knowledge. So let's start. So here first we have syllabus for 10th. Syllabus for 10th. So first we have to do revision 1 and second revision 1 and 2. Now what this consists of? So this consists of if, else and few switch case and this contains fundamental of OOPS. Now revision 2 contains loops, pattern programs, series, numbers. This we have completed in the videos which I have made for class 9. So if you have not seen that, do watch, go to my channel and watch that videos. So these two are important and we have covered this to first also and second also. So third, what we have, user defined functions. User defined function. Fourth, user defined function means in which user defines how he has to use, which we will learn in our further classes. So after this, what we have, constructor, user defined functions, constructor, encapsulation. These all copy down this. There are many more things which we have to learn in class 10th. So till here 5th number. We'll start from here. 6th. Encapsulation. After this we have array, which is very important. And 7th, we have here string manipulation. So these are very important: array, string manipulation, constructor, encapsulation. So copy down this. This is syllabus for class 10, which we have to cover in this session. Today, let's start with the revision. So we'll write pattern program. For this we have done before, but then also you try, and I'll write here So this is the program for this. Kindly copy it. So we have here second program. So we have to write this. So we can say that we have to print mod of this. So how we have to write this? This one for this. So similar to that, as we have written before, we'll write for int I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus, for int j is equal to 1, j is less than equal to I, j plus plus. Till here we know, after this what we'll do, we'll not store anywhere, we'll directly print SOP. What will print here? We have to think. If we print I here, what will happen? We can't do that because it will be like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Like that it will come. So we don't want this. So we'll print J, and J will print this. And after this, what we have to do? We have to do mod 2. So J mod 2. We have to print, and after this we will close this and SOPLN. So this is how it will work. Till here it will print the value of 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here it is mod 2. So 1 mod 2 is 1. 1 mod 2 is 1 and 2 mod 2 is 0, so it will print 0, and 1 mod 1 is 1, again 2 mod 2 is 0, 3 mod 2 is 1, again what, 1 0 1, and again 1 0, 4 mod 2 is 0, so 1 0 1 0 1. So this is how, this is same as we got here output. So this is correct. Our program is totally correct. So copy this. So today we have done about we have known about what are the topics under the syllabus of class 10th ICSE board. So we have also done 2 programs, and this is just the revision of class 9th, which is very important in this, as now you all are in class 10th, and in class 10th these program matters because these are very important, as these are just simple programs which we have to know, and without knowing this we cannot go further. So in 10th we have to do array, string, which are very big topic and very important also. So these topics you should be thorough with these, for loop, while, do while, in class 9th only, and in class 10th then only we can do further programs, and we will develop our few programming skills. So this is very important. So keep watching our videos in this channel. I will back soon with the next video in this syllabus which I have discussed today. This will complete in this channel only. So do watch our videos. So if you find this video helpful, do share it with your friends. So thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.